Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to swap Ethereum, ETH, from Binance Coin, BNB, on MetaMask. This lets you convert your BNB into ETH directly within your wallet for trading or other uses. Let's get started. First, open your MetaMask wallet. Log in on your browser or mobile app and make sure your wallet is funded with BNB and connected to the Binance Smart Chain network. Next, navigate to the Swap feature. On MetaMask, select Swap from the main dashboard. This allows you to exchange one token for another directly in the app. Then, choose your tokens. Select BNB as the token you want to swap and ETH as the token you want to receive. After that, enter the amount you wish to swap. Check the conversion rate, estimated gas fees, and make sure you have enough BNB to cover network fees. Next, review the transaction. MetaMask will display the details including slippage tolerance, fees, and the estimated ETH you will receive. Confirm that everything looks correct before proceeding. Finally, confirm and execute the swap. Click Swap, approve any prompts, and wait for the blockchain confirmation. Your ETH will appear in your MetaMask wallet once the transaction is completed. Quick tips. Always check network fees before swapping to avoid unexpected charges. Adjust slippage settings if the swap fails or if the price changes quickly. Keep your MetaMask wallet secure and never share your seed phrase. Swapping Ethereum from Binance Coin on MetaMask is fast and convenient when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.